Show, the entertaining Coco Show. What do you buy YouTube? Proudly presented by Coco.
Hey everyone, Chathamboy12 here. Today is November 18th, Monday, and as you guys can hear, it is very windy, cold. Actually, I can't really say it's cold. It's more like the wind that makes it cold. Other than that, I can walk in this weather and not a problem. It's beautiful. But you can tell this is a sign of winter coming. All the trees are pretty much off the trees. The leaves. Did I say trees? Did I say trees over trees? I meant to say leaves are pretty much off the trees. Yes, they're all on the ground. So you can tell this is a sign that winter's coming. And I have no problem with that because I love winter. Snow is like my favorite kind of thing. Because that's when the more interesting videos are coming. That's what I like. Yesterday, actually, it was like pretty much raining. Was it yesterday that rained pretty much all day? Actually, last night it was so windy. It was so windy that one of our lights, or one of our street lights, blew off. It was like one of our streets in Chatham, like downtown Chatham. So it was that windy, you could tell. Still windy, you guys can hear it. See more leaves there. What is strange though is the fact that a few days ago, November 11th, which I'm actually going to show you a video, it was snowing. It was actually snowing, and it wasn't that much snow. It was to a point where the snow was like flurries kind of thing, but it was still snowing. We did have a little bit of snow on the ground. I think it was like a nice cover of snow, just enough to see a little bit of the grass, but not too much of the grass. So it was like a thin blanket of snow. But it was nice to see, you know, an early winter, an early snowfall. So, yeah. So I did enjoy that one. I did enjoy making the video of that. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Just wanted to show you what Chatham is like today on November the 18th. Chathamboy12, peace out.